My name is Fred Foreman. I'm a club travel basketball coach here in El Paso.
Well, the detox, it was a little bit taxing, getting used to it, but after a couple of days, it started working out for me as a combination of drops and capsules, tablets to sit up here and get yourself going and get your, basically cleanse your body. And
Start taking out all the processed foods that you normally eat, and you start going more raw and more clean. I always compare it to if you got a car. You want to sit up here, most people just go and get the cheapest stuff unleaded. But if you want to actually make it clean or take care of your car, you want to go Supreme and stuff like that. It's almost like putting Supreme in your body. Now you're starting to clean out all that gunk that's in it. You can start seeing that difference, the performance. Like I said, the energy levels started to rise. Because I do basketball on a regular basis with kids, hey, I'm able to just run back and forth with them and they looking like, oh, hold on, okay, you're keeping up with us, type of thing. Just energy and everything, performance, your whole outlook, emotional outlook to a degree changes as well. You know how you might be having a day where you don't really want to do anything or it's cloudy outside. Well, by taking these changes and going on inside your body, it's almost like it cleanses that part of your body as well, the emotional, the spirit, whatever you want to call it. If you're in a certain position in life where you've put on the weight or you've done this, that, and the other, you didn't get there overnight. So it's a process. So with that process, it's the same process in getting healthy. If you're looking to make a change or you just need something to get you going, this would be one of those perfect avenues to get you there.